Well, would you look at that? I cleaned the garage a little bit. I'm one of those organized chaos types, if you know what I mean. Anyway, so in the last couple of videos, you've seen a few things. One, you see me mess around with that head and get that straightened out. And in the last video, you saw me do some valve lapping, which is really essential to get that engine running the way you want. Painting is coming soon. I keep promising this in every episode. Just one last thing to do, and that is making sure that the engine is clean enough to be painted. If you don't clean it enough, that paint is just not going to stay on there and it's going to start chipping and yellowing and all that garbage. So this episode, let's not delay. Let's get right to cleaning and getting that head back on so we can go ahead and paint. I promise. Next episode will be the painting episode. Let's get to it. haircut. It's not so bad. It could be worse. Anyway, so there you have it, guys. The engine's all cleaned up. She's looking bright, shiny, new for painting. Next episode, painting. It's something I've been meaning to do for a while, so I can't wait for the next episode. I know you can't too. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and that bell icon so you know when I upload that episode. Thanks for watching, everybody. As always, ride safe out there, be kind, and keep your wheels rolling in the right direction. I'll see you in the next episode.